Welcome to my YouTube channel where we demonstrate and discuss everything related to theatrical and entertainment production crafts. Please subscribe to get the latest updates, posts, and demonstrations. While I will focus primarily on safety in the shops and comprehensive training and operating procedures for tools and machinery, I'll also demonstrate and discuss practical applications like flat and platform construction, scene painting, and more. If you'd like to see something specific, please let me know in the comments. Once again, please subscribe and power up the alert bell to get the most up-to-date notifications about new content. Oh no! Someone spilled a bunch of water! Whatever am I going to do? No, don't throw some paper towels down. Stop! No, don't get towels and rags. Don't do it. There's this invention. It's called the mop bucket. And mop buckets are particularly good at mopping up things. You might spread it around a bit, but it does actually mop it up. And then you put it in here and you wring it out and then you mop up some more. It's actually a pretty amazing invention. Got to get it before it gets out of control. Feels like when you're mopping it that, oh my God, this is never gonna soak this up. But never fear, it will all come up. It's trying to gravitate towards a floor drain. There's a floor drain around here somewhere. Oh, it's right behind me. It's trying to go downhill. The more I mop up, the more rinses out into the bucket. Look at that, I'm not wasting paper towels. I'm not getting a bunch of rags dirty. It's been raining outside. If the rain comes in, because it's a heavy rain, I can't run to the storm drain that fast. This is a great way to get it up off the shop. Yeah, it does take some patience. A lot like sanding wood. It's not for instant gratification. It does get the job done without wasting a bunch of material. You might think I'm just spreading it around till it's going to evaporate, but I'm actually picking a lot of it up, and yes, some is getting spread around. In the thin layer, this thing will evaporate, but the majority of it is ending up in my mop bucket. Amazing thing, these inventions that people have been using for centuries and centuries. And I suppose someone's going to comment and go do some research and figure out when mops were actually invented. Maybe it's more than centuries, maybe it's more than a couple millennia. Maybe it's more recent than that. I'm trying not to push the water further out. It's not easy. Trying to mop it up and soak it up. I think I got most of it. Oh, the shop needs a little love. It needs to be mopped more often. Put out my wet floor signs so that I'm reminded the floor is wet and I don't walk through here real quickly and then slip and fall. That's a good safety thing too. When you have a wet spill made of water, dirty water, clean water, whatever, use the mop bucket to get it up. If you're working with a chemical spill, that's going to be a different situation and you're going to have to follow the safety data sheet instructions for containing a chemical spill. But for standard water messes, just grab a mop. Don't waste paper towels, don't waste rags and get rags all dirty and filthy from it. Grab a mop and clean up with a mop. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with more technical theater content.